in the head. What do you mean? We were running. They were out there already. They had the design of the jet airplane right there in front of us. They knew about a new wing design that was faster than anything else that had ever been developed, called laminar flow. Don't have to get into the physics of it. Just know that it is fast. So fast that the Mustang, with its original engine, the same that was in the P40, the Allison V12 liquid-cooled engine, was extremely fast at low altitude. But it had a problem when it went to the British, didn't it, Danny?
How much it costs to get a Skytyper to write all the way across the sky.
Yeah, all the way around.
Just didn't have enough stuff up in where you fight the problem. So the guys from the Royal Air Force said, I got an idea. Why don't we take one of our Merlin engines built by Rolls Royce?
Geico Skytypers.
Still going over there.
And the Mustang was born. That turbo supercharger, that two-stage supercharger made all the difference in the world and gave it a top speed of over 430 miles an hour. As a matter of fact, one of the versions of the Mustang later on reached a speed of 487 miles per hour.
Oh yeah, presented by Kroger.
V12 engine. Let's fade this music down and listen to the sound of this engine.